Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tips with PowerVision and the PowerRay. Today what we're going to be talking about is how to activate your PowerRay once you get it. So the four things that you're going to need are going to be your transmitter, your base station, the tether, and obviously the PowerRay. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go ahead and take the cap off the top of the PowerRay. Go ahead and plug this in to the PowerRay, just like so. You get that noise, and then what you're going to get is you're going to get some blinking here on the lights and your little noise there, and then the lights will turn on, and then when you see this thing flashing, that means that you're at 100% ready to go. Your battery's completely charged, you're ready to go. When the battery gets down to about 10%, this blinking will actually start blinking very fast. Okay, so we already went over that in another video. So we'll go ahead and turn that on. Go ahead and turn our base station on. Now our base station's on, full green. It means we're totally charged there. And then the last thing we'll do is turn on the transmitter. We'll wait for this to all connect, and it's all connected. So first thing I'm gonna do before I bring the camera in and show you a little bit closer is I'm gonna go on my cell phone and I'm gonna connect the PowerRay to my Wi-Fi. So you're gonna go and do that in your settings. So you hit the settings, pulls up, and you're gonna wanna hit PRA station. Do never go into PSE station, because PSE station is just connecting to this. We wanna connect to the whole system. So we're gonna hit PRA station, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the password, which is 123456789, enter. And we are now ready to go into the Vision Plus app. Once we hit the Vision Plus app, it's gonna go straight to our PowerRay and it's gonna say activate immediately. So now let me bring the camera closer and I'll show you guys each step on activating the PowerRay so that you're ready to dive. Okay, so now that we have everything set up, we've already done all the steps necessary. We are on our PowerRay station Wi-Fi system. We've already hit the activation. So now let's go back into the app. We're all activated. Now what we need to do is wait for this timer to come down. It's gonna go right to the PowerRay, and now that you see it says device is connected, that means the activation was successful. So now what I could do is hit this, start sailing, camera's gonna pop up, and there I am. How's it going? Ready to go. So that has been how to activate your PowerRay. And we will be back with another video, which is how to unlock the motors next. Stay tuned and happy sailing.